become one of the mainstay hangout place for young people in Kediri. By carrying out an open concept, this cafe presents views of mountains, hills, and rice fields as its main attraction. The cafe, which just opened in May 2020, has attracted many young people to come to visit. Visitors who come here can reach 100 every day. This place is perfect for those of you who like to hang out and enjoy the outdoors. For those of you who want to gather with family or meet friends in large numbers, this place can be an option. Apart from being a spacious place, this place also provides quite complete and varied menus. There are tips for those of you who want to come to this place. You can come in the afternoon around 4 or 5 p.m. because this place presents a view of the sunset in the afternoon, which is guaranteed to spoil the eyes. Don't forget to wear thick clothes or bring warm clothes because this place has a fairly cold air temperature. Because it is near rice field, this place also has a fairly strong wind.